Right, folks, what's going on here? That's the new washing machine. There it is, folks. There's the beast. The beast has arrived. There it is. Now, the thing is though, folks, I've got to undo these kind of things here. Yes, indeed, folks. Welcome to a rather bleary-eyed Jag here. It's about 9:30. We've just got up. Washing machine has arrived. Very nice chat from Hotpoint, I must say. Really, really nice. Enjoyed his company there for 10 minutes while he did this. Had a good yap with him. So we need a 10mm spanner though to undo these bolts here, which are the transit screws. So you've got to get them off, and then you put these things in here. So I don't have a spanner, so I had to go upstairs and ask Neil, the neighbour. So he's got a spanner in his van. He's a workman, so he's going to come around in about 10 minutes with a spanner, hopefully. Folks, there's the fix that I had. It's a wee bit wet. Looks, it's still wet. Look, must be water coming through it. Because Grandad is an old man, said double it over, so we did that. It seemed to work fine, but that'll be coming out just very soon. Indeed. In fact, I'll take it out now. There we go. So it's going to be the new washing machine. That's where it's going to go. I've already got the hose through. There it is, look. Attached to it already. So there it is, folks. I've managed to plumb it in. There we go. I put the cold water on, so yes, we're looking good, folks. This is it. Looks like Darth Vader. The force is strong in this one. Hang on, folks, look. On here, I've actually got my head inside the washing machine here, so spears! That's not bad. Right. Right, folks, as you can see, the washing machine is on. Yes, it seems to be okay, man. I've plumbed it in okay. Everything seems to be working fine. But now, look, we've got the wallpaper to put up now, so we're doing that this afternoon. Just come home, and Rosie's away to get a roller or something, so that'll be the new job, is to get the wallpaper. I've already done some plastering on the wall here as well, folks, because there was a bit of crumbly sort of plaster. So, yeah, I'm doing quite well, folks, for this one. I must admit, I'm not doing too badly. There's a couple of awkward little places to kind of put the wallpaper like up there. I've got to fix that vent as well. That vent looks like it's knackered, so I need to sort that out as well. But hey ho, yeah, it's getting there, folks. Very soon it will be sorted. Look, you can see everything's in the hallway now. Look, there's the fridge. It's just a nightmare, folks. It really is. I mean, you can't. We've been living up the stairs for the last few days, because I mean, you have to come through here. Look, and everything's in the sitting room from the hallway. You can't really see the TV because it's. Can't really lie down unless you move the hat stand or something. So it's all in turmoil. But hey ho, we will get there, folks. And so, right. And tea tonight, I think it's going to be ham rolling and soup in the microwave. Yep, basically. So there it is. My new machine. Right, folks, we're away to start putting the wallpaper up. We've got them all measured up and drawn across. Rosie's very organised. She's got them all 1, 2, 3, and we've cut everything across, so it's all ready to go now. We've got the paste ready here, folks. We have the other rolls ready to go right here. This is roll number 2. No, roll number 3, so it's all there. All very organised, all cut to precision. So we're going to paste this, and then it's going to go, this wall's going to get done first. And we've sanded down the polyfiller. So yes, I've turned the lights around. That's our new project, folks, is we're going to get a strip light or something put up there anyway, because the lighting is pretty weak. So that's our next. It's always something, isn't there? You know, you finish one thing and then, oh, I need this, and oh, I need that. And before you know it, you know, the whole house is just new. So look at the shambles of the place. I've never seen a place in such a shambles. However, the new washing machine, folks, it's done a couple of cycles. It's finished. It's done washing. It's done everything. It's fantastic. There's no leak or nothing. Great. Excellent.